So you're in the trade and the sky looks like this. You're working outside, it's cold, it's wet, the job is taking forever, and that is where the Regatta Thermogen heated jacket has you covered. The jacket has a copper heating zone along the back to help provide warmth to your core and to get you warm as quickly as possible. Now, of course, the concept of a heated jacket is nothing new. We already have the likes of Milwaukee, Makita and DeWalt all having their own takes on this, but with those jackets, you are restricted to using their specific batteries, which in the long run may not be very cost effective. Whereas this jacket can be powered by any 2.1 amp output USB power bank, meaning that if you don't have any batteries for the aforementioned brands, then this is going to be a much more cost effective way to stay warm. Now, this is made up of Regatta's Hydrothorpe fabric, which is both wind and waterproof, so you'll be staying protected from the elements. This also features Thermogen technology, which not only retains heat by trapping air in, but is also easy to care for and dries quickly. So once you remove the power bank, it's machine washable. There's also an adjustable hood, which helps retain the heat and of course, keeps the real money maker on site nice and snug. And as a bonus, once you've got your jacket powering from the battery, there's a handy little phone pocket next door so you can actually charge your phone from the battery at the very same time. And aside from the inner phone and battery pocket, you have a pocket on the outside on either side, as well as a chest pocket. All of them are spacious and makes it easy to grab exactly what you need. The Thermogen jacket has a slim fit and is perfect for any body type. And it is built to last as well, so you can count on it to hold up to whatever your job throws it. So stay warm and comfortable on the job with the Regatta Thermogen heated jacket, available now over its.co.uk.